Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are running high precision CNC workshops, this video is definitely for you. Take a close look at this tiny metal part. Look at its sharp edge and perfect mirror finish to manufacture something this accurate. The CNC spindle must spin at over 30,000 RPM. And here's the factory secret nobody tells you. At this ultra-high speed, your machine becomes extremely sensitive to power quality. Even just a tiny 1 voltage fluctuation in your industrial power grid can destroy the entire workpiece instantly. No sparks, no blackouts, no error codes, just sudden cracked parts and silent production loss. I'm Homer from Kingbao. Today I'll show you exactly how we solve this invisible industrial problem and fully protect a whole set of premium Jingdiao high-speed CNC machines from hidden power ripples and unstable voltage. Let's jump in. So let's talk about the real problem our client was facing. This factory runs high-end Jingdiao micro machine centers. They specialize in super delicate material, including graphite molds and sapphire glass components. These materials are ultra fragile and require perfect power stability during every single cutting process. But their workshop had a hidden enemy: high frequency voltage ripples and tiny grid voltage drifting. These micro fluctuations cannot be seen on ordinary electricity meters. They don't trigger alarms, but they exist continuously in power lines. For ordinary low-speed machines, you won't feel the difference. But for 30,000 RPM high-speed Jinbao CNCs, the impact is huge. Unstable power directly causes inconstant spindle torque. Tiny toe vibration, micro cracks on sapphire surfaces, fuzzy cutting edges, and terrible surface finish defects. Worse still, the irregular power vibration accelerates internal spindle wear, shortening the service life of the expensive high-speed spindles. Day after day, the factory wastes massive money on defective products, rework, and frequent spindle replacement. The production yield rate was always unstable, couldn't meet high standard customer orders. To fix this invisible but costly problem, we developed our flagship Kingbao KSBW solid-state contactless voltage stabilizer. This is not a traditional old-type stabilizer. It's specially designed for high-precision industrial equipment and ultra-sensitive CNC workshops. Let's break down its core advantages in simple but professional terms. First, ultra-fast dynamic response. The KSBW system captures and corrects all voltage fluctuations with 20 milliseconds. It insistently suppresses high-frequency ripples, ensuring absolutely clean and stable power during high-speed cutting. Second, 100% solid-rate contactless design. There are no carbon brushes, no mechanical motors, no physical contact movement at all, zero mechanical wear, zero carbon dust pollution, zero noise. It's a fully meet clear workshop and precision manufacture standards. Third, ultra high precision voltage locking. It steadily locks the output at 380 voltage with an ultra tiny accuracy of ±1%. No voltage surge, no voltage drop, no waveform distortion. It provides constant, pure, factory-grade stable voltage for your valuable CNC machines. After installing the Kingbao KSBW stabilizer, the whole workshop's production situation completely changed. All hidden power ripples and micro vibrations were eliminated. The CNC spindle runs extremely smooth at 30,000 RPM continuously. Torque output becomes constant and stable. The results are amazing. Material micro cracks disappeared completely. Defective rate drops to 0. Micro surface finish becomes constant on every batch. Spindle vibration reduced to the minimum. Spindle service life greatly extended. The factory manager no longer worries about mysterious bad parts of sudden production losses. The yield rate is 100% stable now, and they can confidently take high precision, high value orders. Here is a key takeaway. For ultra high speed, ultra precision CNC machining, mechanical precision is important, but the power precision decides your final yield. Tiny 1 voltage fluctuation is invisible, but it can destroy your whole production profit. If you are running Jingdiao or other high-end CNC machines, if you are facing unexplained poor surface finish, micro cracks, unstable yield, or fast spindle wear, your factory is probably suffering from hidden power quality issues. We are Kingbao, a professional in industrial power quality optimization and high precision voltage stabilization. Leave your comment below. Tell me your machine model and your problem. You can also visit our official website for customized power solutions for your factory. If this video helps you, hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more industrial power upgrade cases. See you in the next factory tour. Bye.